y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys a wig show and tell. Yes, it's still going to be a review, but because this video is under 7 to 8 minutes, baby, this is a quick one and done. So I just wanted to just show y'all and tell y'all was right. I see why this wig was sold out. Shake and go, y'all did, y'all big one. When I tell you the layers, perfect. I really love this color. I immediately went back to Sam's Beauty because I found it on Sam's Beauty, y'all. It is what, the 15th or 16th of September, so hopefully cross your fingers it is not sold out again. I think they restocked recently. You can only get 2 wigs. It's a limit on it, and I understand the sentiment because baby, eat. I am thinking about putting this hair up in the updo and all that little fun stuff. So I made sure I did get a solid color. Now I will say about 1B, I think the 1B was a little bit harsh on me. I didn't really care for how dark it was. It was cute, but I definitely would love to try out a 2 instead of a 1B. So the texture of these units, they give off like a light yaki but a silky vibe. So y'all already know what comes with silky wigs. Baby, she's going to tangle up. That's the only thing that I could honestly say about this unit. Delusional. I was very delulu to think that this was not gonna tangle up. I encourage you guys to go get a wig brush. I really want to try that high vanilla color. But yeah, y'all see my son just barging in. Baby, don't care about my life, don't care about my privacy. Baby, this is his world and I'm just living in it. Like I said, the pros with this unit, the color is beautiful, the layers are beautiful. For this to be synthetic, y'all did that with the styling. You do not have to have no hair out, obviously. These wigs are perfect. Price point is perfect. The layers were perfect. The colors are perfect. The only gripe that I had with this was she tangled up. And I knew if I combed her hard enough or if I combed her against the grain, baby, she was going to lose how she felt. So please be very gentle with how y'all are combing her out. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I did purchase these units from Sam's Beauty. I will drop that purchase link in the description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel, supporting my channel. I hear a lot of the girlies are saying stay on YouTube because baby, the numbers will have you thinking like nobody wants to see me, and it's like at this point seeking external validation from numbers and likes and how many subscribers you have. But at the end of the day, I want to make sure I am creating content I love and that I know you guys will love. So it's a win-win for me. To my old subscribers, I truly appreciate you guys for always coming back. And to my new subscribers, welcome. If you like this video, baby, it's a lot more videos that you can go through. I appreciate you for even stopping by and taking a look at my channel. I've seen reviews on this unit and I definitely could not review this one. Also, I'm so sorry. Also, I would like to say she is pretty shiny, so I would suggest using a dry shampoo. I do have a dry shampoo from Softy. Baby, smells amazing. I love how that dry shampoo dries down. Or you can use fabric softener sheets, people be saying. So thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.